Well, this is great. Rain, rain, rain. I bet even the ducks wouldn't come out in weather like this. But me, I'm an idiot.
That thing where you're next in line and then they run out of gas and put the bag on it. Ah! Because I was thinking about getting a soda.
I know, I kind of want to get a sandwich. I want a sriracha sandwich from McDonald's so when the hurricane hits, I can destroy one of the toilets. Okay.
Sorry, when someone walks by me, I always feel so stupid. Yo! Hey guys, so today is Friday, it's Tucker. So today is Friday, it's 10 in the morning, and this is the official beginning of my Hurricane Irma vlog. Hurricane Irma is hitting South Florida sometime tonight and Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon. And if you're not sure where I live, I will put up a graphic right here so you can see. I am in that catastrophic area. We chose to stay because there are gas shortages everywhere, and driving 20 hours just to get to like Georgia felt stupid because they might be getting hit by the hurricane too. So we chose to stay. We boarded up our home. We bought all the supplies we need. Right now we are out. Today we're gonna try to actually have some fun because if you don't know anything about hurricanes, once they hit, there's no fun to be had. The movies are closed, restaurants are closed, everything is closed. So we're gonna try to just enjoy our day the best we can today, get any last minute things, and we're just trying to like relax before the storm hits. So Rob's inside of Target, which is crazy right now. Everyone's buying last minute stuff. He's in there trying to see if Starbucks is open to buy me my Starbucks. And then we're gonna see if Chipotle's open to get food. And then the rest of the day, we're not sure. I was hoping to take Tucker to the dog park to burn some of that like dog energy, but we'll see. Whatever I do, you'll be coming along. Rob.
No! No!
Chipotle's closed.
No!
We just was trying to feed our family during this catastrophe.
I was just trying to put some Chipotle in my pooper. Am I ruining it?
We are on our way to the dog park to try to burn Tucker's last energies before we're all trapped and prisoners in our own home.
Yeah. And look, everything's closed.
Don't be afraid of catch
And
feet.
shutters are. Oh, the liquor store's open.
I can't put that in the vlog.
No. Just another hurricane drive, getting ready for a hurricane. Tucker, what do you think about this? Right? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, but I mean, I don't. No, well, that makes sense. Are you sure? No. No. Oh my God, you're right, honey. We need to leave.
The dog park's closed.
Is it? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Ah, man, this is the worst part about the hurricane.
We should have probably figured that.
Can we jump the fence?
No.
Can we ram the fence? Alright, well, let's let him play out here on the street.
So we'll go home and play, and then
2 hours later.
this is our hurricane party. Tucker loves the hurricane parties.
That poodle so slept.
The one time we could be enjoying technology and we're not.
Before we lose everything. All our electricity.
In Miami right now. It looks like Homestead getting some rain. Precipitation rate, we're falling about almost 3/4 of an inch an hour. There we go, 3/4 of an inch.
So that's why you don't feel it.
That precipitation rate was picked up. So we're already seeing these impacts. Chris, remember, read that tweet saying that the radar estimated wind speeds in the Keys were up to about 65, 66 miles per hour already. So we're already looking at those tropical storm force winds in the Keys. We will see those arrive to Southwest Florida as we head into.
Oh, it was so cold in my house. It's hot out here. Okay, so the hurricane last night and this morning, oh, we're fogging up. The hurricane last night and this morning actually started moving very west. Once the, Tucker, they make you go out in the hurricane?
Mistress!
Rob, tell us what's going on.
Well, it's getting real crazy right now. I heard a really loud, angry noise, so I was looking over, like, what could that be? And then you see that crooked tree over there with the entire top part that broken? That whole tree literally ripped off of the roots or whatever and just fell down into somebody's backyard. That fence just got taken out. What happened? You see where all those trees come up and it like comes together? You see how it's all like broken wood there? That little part of the tree, that top part ripped off, fell straight down and collapsed on the fence.
So that's what I've been waiting for the whole time.
I heard some huge, like it got really strong and it was pushing.
And I got a flat tire.
I never thought
So that was our fence. And that was a tree. I think the craziest thing about weather and hurricanes is it is the most beautiful day today. Like just perfectly beautiful. And people were, you know, really scared yesterday, but today, perfectly beautiful day. Mother Nature is just crazy to me.
Yeah, state of emergency. You should know already that Hurricane Irma is on its way, so I need to prepare. Let's go, let's go. Get your plywood, get all you need. This is hurricane coming with speed. Get your plywood, get all you need. This is hurricane coming with speed. Irma, Hurricane Irma, you better get what you need. Irma, Hurricane Irma, this hurricane coming with speed. Irma, Hurricane Irma, you better get what you need. Irma, to the Google. Hurricane Irma, this hurricane coming with speed.